please. Hands on your back. And see if we can finish your donut first, okay? Are you guys ready? Here we go. Ready, go. Robin, make space for all the contestants, Robin. Take all the space. Come on, Lisa, don't drop your donut, because if somebody has more than you, then you're going to lose, Lisa. Don't drop it. She has this much left. If you can beat this, you got this game. I think you have a little bit more than her, so she's very good. Come on, you're going to do it, Lisa. Lisa's playing this game very well. Don't touch. Don't eat the top because you're going to drop it. We still have a lot there. So start from the bottom. There you go.